Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Dodge Dart Headlight. Open the hood, disconnect the battery negative terminal, and locate the headlight assembly carefully. Remove the plastic clips and screws securing the inner trim to expose the headlight. Keep track of fasteners and use a magnetic tray if possible. Work on one side at a time to avoid confusion, and handle bulbs by the base rather than the glass to prevent oils or damage. With tools ready, unscrew the visible fasteners and remove any trim clips blocking access to the headlight. Use a socket and extension to loosen the two primary mounting bolts, supporting the assembly with your other hand. Once bolts are free, tilt the assembly forward slowly to reveal the wiring harness and bulb sockets. Disconnect the bulb connector by squeezing the tab and pulling straight back, then set the assembly on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Remove the old bulb by twisting counterclockwise and gently pulling it free, handling only the plastic or metal base. Install the new bulb by aligning tabs, inserting straight and twisting clockwise until secure. Reconnect the wiring harness and reconnect the battery negative terminal to test the light operation before final reassembly. If all functions work, reinstall trim and clips, tighten bolts snugly, and double-check alignment, and clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.